Hello my friends, hope all you doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 280 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It's Memorial Day my friends, and you know what that means. It's time to heat up the barbecue pit and make the potato salad. And are you looking for a simple, delicious dessert to serve for your Memorial Day party? Well, y'all enjoy my no-bake summerberry cheesecake lasagna. It is the bomb.com. It's going to be so decadent, full of berry goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my no-bake strawberry cheesecake lasagna, my baked beans and macaroni salad recipe down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your blueberry, your whipped cream, and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to make some no-bake summerberry cheesecake lasagna magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crust. In my large bowl, I have 3 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And we're going to add a half a cup, which is 1 stick, plus 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of strawberry preserves, and I added a little red food coloring. I'm going to give that a quick stir until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. Look how nice and red that looks. Beautiful. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the crust into the pan. We're going to pour it into a 9x13-inch long baking dish. Alright my friends, I got the crumbs into the pan, so now we're going to pop it in the freezer and we're going to let it chill until it's set. And while that's setting, we can get started on the other ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1 stick, which is half a cup of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And we're going to cream this until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 cup of fresh whipped cream. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. And again, we're going to cream it until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, the filling is complete. Creamy and silky. Alright, that looks great. And now, there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. We're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of chopped strawberries, fresh strawberries. And we're just going to fold them in until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're ready to pour the filling on top of our chilled crust. Alright my friends, I got the filling on top of the crust, so now we're going to pop it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill. And while it's chilling, we can get started on the blueberry jello salad. Alright my friends, to make the blueberry jello salad, in my bowl I have 2 3-ounce packages of berry blue jello. And we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of boiling water. Gonna give that a stir until the jello dissolves. Alright my friends, the blueberry jello has cooled down a little bit, so next, for the final 2 ingredients, we're going to add in 2 cups of blueberry pie filling, and I added just a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1 cup of crushed pineapple, and I drained the juice. I'm gonna pour that in, give that a quick stir. Alright my friends, so now we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. Alright my friends, the lasagna is nice and chill. And the blueberry jello salad is set. Now we're going to put the blueberry jello salad right on top. Alright my friends, so now we're going to put the berry lasagna back in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for about 2 or 3 hours. Alright my friends, our summerberry cheesecake lasagna is chilled. So now I have some fresh whipped cream. We're going to put it right on top. Alright my friends, I got the whipped cream on top. And over here I have some fresh blueberries and strawberries, and we're going to put them right on top. All right, my friends, I got the fresh berries on top, and there's one more thing I got to add to it. A drizzle of melted white chocolate. And there you have it, my friends. Summer berry cheesecake lasagna. Doesn't that look pretty and patriotic? That looks gorgeous. All right, I'm about to pick me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at those layers. You can see the red crust, and look at the cheesecake filling and the blueberry jello salad. Creamy, so refreshing. Please give this recipe a try. This would be great for Memorial Day, the 4th of July, or any time of the day. This is the ultimate comforting summer dessert, my friends. Y'all will enjoy this. Berry cheesecake lasagna-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. And to all the men and women who serve our country, we salute you. Have a wonderful, blessed, and safe Memorial Day. Let's eat and much love.